Hello friends, let's write a program in Python to print numbers 1 to 100 using while loop. So in every loop there is three things are important. One is to know that what is the initialization value, second is a condition, and third is a basically the increment, means how many times you have to increment the loop. Now let's do one program to print a number counting 1 to 100 using while loop. So first I initialize a loop by 1, so because our starting value is 1. Now I have to write the condition, means how many times I have to run the loop using the while statement. So I have to check that I is less than equal to 100. So it means runs the loop 1 to 100 times. Now what you have to do inside the loop, first you have to print the value of the variable, that is I, and second you have to increment the value. So you can write I equal to I plus 1 because you have to do skip counting by 1, and you can also write I plus equal to 1 in place of this. Now if I run this code, you can see that you get the counting 1 to 100. So in this way you can write a code in Python to print numbers 1 to 100 using while loop. Thank you.